friends, I'm Love and today I'm going to show you a Python tutorial. So firstly, let's start by downloading Python. So you are going to search in Google Python and then download. Then when you get it, in the first option you'll probably see www.python.org and then the downloads. So click that link and open it in the new tab. Now you have to click this button, download 3.9.2, and then when it comes up, like, you'll download it. So you can just download it in downloads of your computer and then you can just set it up. I've already got it set up. So then once you set everything up, in your apps, if you go here, firstly it will come here in recently added. But if, like, I've downloaded it a few months ago, so here you'll see from you'll see Python 3.9. You click it and then you open IDLE 3.9 64-bit. So it will take some time to download, to open. So by then, let me tell you some things. Okay, it came up. So Python, like, it's a similar programming language to Java. Like, for example, the variable, firstly the comment sign is hash. So integer is int, then float is float, bool, and then so on. So let me show you some simple ones of Python. So firstly what we can do is, let's just show you like a is equal to hello world, and then you can just print a, and then you'll have to save the file. You can just save it on your desktop for now. You can, like, have a new folder for it. You can call it Python programs. Open, and then you can just save your print hello world, and then, like, you just click the F5 button, or you can go to run, and then click run module, and then here it comes hello world. Now if we make a is equal to 1, so let's see what happens here. So you get 1. Unlike in now let's do a float, so 1.0. Unlike in Java, like, here you do not have to specify in Python that if it's a string, if it's an int, because it gets from the value which you have given, that it's a string or an int or a boolean. Like, if I put here true and then save, so it's not defined, because true starts with a caps lock, and now you can see true comes. So true, here you might be thinking, why did it come true? Because there was no condition which said what will happen when true, it is true, so that's why. So that's the boolean. So print hello world, that is done. So now I'll also show you some number addition, subtraction, and also how to get input. Firstly I'll show you that. So for example, let's do num1 is equal to int input, because input is always string, like according to Python. So here, like in C++ it used to be CIN, and then in Java it is get text and all of that. So yeah, so we can do int input, and we can do enter your favorite number. So, and then put a colon, and then remember to close all the brackets you have opened. Many people forget to close the second bracket and they only close one, and a syntax error comes. Then you can just do print num1, and if you add a string or something like that, let's firstly write here my favorite number, and now let's run it again. Let's see what happens if I write sy. So it's not working because it's int input, because here it's showing you also the error has come because it's an int input thing. So that's why. Now I'll show you how to do multiplication. So we can just copy this line and then paste, and then we can make this num2, enter a number, and then we can do print num1 plus num2, enter a number 10, 3. So these were some basic ones. Now we can multiply as well, and for power we can do star star. So let's do simple one like 4 raised to 2, so you get 16, which is 4 into 4. So that was how you can add powers. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you want this Python series to continue, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel as it helps a lot. And bye.